Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level? Let me introduce you to the Traeger Ironwood Series 885 pellet grill. Say goodbye to gas or charcoal, because Traeger's original wood pellet grill brings you that unbeatable wood-fired taste. The Ironwood 885 offers precise temperature control reaching up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features locking caster wheels and all-terrain wheels for easy mobility. One of the standout features of the Ironwood 885 is its connected home technology. With Wi-Fi technology, you can connect your grill to your home Wi-Fi and control it from anywhere using the Traeger app. This means you can monitor and adjust your grill's settings while entertaining guests or prepping other dishes inside. This versatile barbecue offers 6-in-1 cooking capabilities, allowing you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and BBQ all on the same grill. The porcelain grill grates make cleanup a breeze, ensuring that you spend more time enjoying your food and less time scrubbing the grill. Traeger is the market leader in pellet grills, and the Ironwood 885 is a bestseller for a reason. The upgraded D2 drivetrain ensures the grill starts quicker, heats up faster, and produces better quality smoke. With 885 square inches of grilling space, you can easily accommodate 10 chickens, 7 rib racks, or 9 pork butts, making it perfect for family gatherings and larger parties. The built-in meat probe allows you to cook to perfection every time. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. The primary con of the Traeger Ironwood Series 885 pellet grill is its price. While it is an investment, the features and quality make it worth considering for serious grill enthusiasts. If you're interested in purchasing the Traeger Ironwood Series 885 pellet grill, there's a link in the description. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with this top-of-the-line grill. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.